Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be looking at the another command which is known as TCP null scan. Now, when we send a TCP packet, that package will have a header section inside it. Now, when we send a sync command using an Nmap, that header section will be enabled by setting a sync flag there. So, there are various options we got for the TCP header like sync, acknowledgement, push, urgent, reset, and so on. So in TCP null scan, we will set that header to null, or we can say we will set it to 0, and we will send that null package to our host and look for the response, and based on that we will get the result. So let me show you that command, that is TCP null scan. Type nmap space minus sign small s, small s, capital N space the target IP. Hitting enter, we will be getting this result. You can see we are getting some different result here. Let me show you the previous command that we have used in previous lectures, that is TCP sync scan. Okay, and what we are getting in the result, like the command was nmap space minus sign small s capital S space and the target IP. So you can see the difference of result we are getting here. The state of port we are getting here is the more information, like the port is filtered or not. So using these different commands, we will be getting different scanning result based on the response we are getting from our host.